This video provides a demonstration of the procedure to core and then cut 100 millimeter diameter cylindrical test specimens. The following safety precautions are recommended for coring and cutting test specimens: safety glasses, hearing protection, lab coat. The following equipment and supplies are necessary for coring and cutting specimens: 180 millimeter gyratory compacted sample, wax pencil or suitable marking instrument, ruler, tape measure or other acceptable measuring device, coring bit with an inside diameter of approximately 100 millimeters, core drill and holder assembly meeting the requirements of AASHTO R83, masonry saw with a cutting radius greater than 100 millimeter and meeting the requirements of AASHTO R83. Attach the 100 millimeter diameter coring bit to the coring drill. Identify the top side of the sample from the marks made after compaction. Insert the sample into the clamping jig in the same orientation and make any necessary adjustments to the jig to align the center of the sample with the center of the coring bit. Turn on the water supply and coring drill. Water should run at a consistent rate as shown, gently flowing down the sides of the sample. Advance the drill at a steady rate, but not too fast, as this can generate higher heat at the tip of the core drill and damage both the sample and the coring bit. Continue advancing the core bit until the sample is cored through. When the sample is cored through, the water will flow through the sample and the coring resistance will drop significantly. When this occurs, back the drill bit out of the sample. Extract the specimen from the compacted sample. Rinse with water. Label it with the unique identifier and mark the top side of the specimen again, then set aside for cutting. The final test specimen must measure 130 millimeters plus or minus 2.5 millimeter. Measure 25 millimeter from the bottom end of the specimen and mark with the wax pencil. Use the saw to cut the specimen along this line, being sure to follow the saw manufacturer's recommendations for safe operation. Measure 130 millimeter from the face just cut. Mark this length with the wax pencil and use the saw again to cut the specimen to the final length.